This video tutorial I will cover isSupported method of year class which accept temporal unit. Here I have defined a class year demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created year object. Then I am calling isSupported method of year object and passing temporal unit as years. This method returns true if this temporal unit can be added to year or can be subtracted from year, else it will return false. We got true for this temporal unit. Here I am calling isSupported method and this time I am passing temporal unit as days. We got false for this temporal unit.